let's just go to the final point. Mikel Arteta has interest from the likes of Barcelona, has the interest of other clubs like PSG, who were looking at him previously, and he's going to be looking to get a new contract soon. I'm looking to give him that contract personally as a fan. Even if we don't, I'm saying we should give him a Mikel Arteta.
Oh, give Mikel Arteta a contract when?
Extension, yeah.
When?
As soon as possible.
No. Sorry, no. Has he won me anything yet? We're rewarding something that he's not accomplished.
One second. Don't you think we can win the league? Don't you think we can win the league?
No. Huh?
Don't you think we can win the league?
We can win the league. Why? Explain to me.
What do you mean? Why can't we win the league, bro?
Okay, let me tell you this. You asked me, and I'll tell you exactly why. We have not addressed two areas we needed to address. We're reverting back to the football that we had of last season. Yeah, we still don't have an answer to breaking down low blocks or mid block or whatever people want to call it. We don't, because you couldn't explain to me how we broke down Porto. The manager looked lost. I didn't see any tactical change. You didn't say anything when I said that, so don't now start saying something. Okay. There's still questions about this manager, and he's not got me over the line. If Mikel Arteta wins me a major honor, 100% I will revert everything I said about this manager, and he deserves a new contract. But I'm sorry, until the season's over, and I know what we've won, you don't deserve a new contract.
Okay.
You don't deserve a new contract. I'm sorry, no. Because you showed me again for another season that you can't get it over the line.
We need to break down some of the things you just said. First of all, right? Let's break this down.
Rewarding failure.
One second. Let's break this down. Burnley. Burnley played. How did Burnley play? they not Newcastle. They played a mid block. What did we? Who unlocked that team? Did we not have the likes of Kai Havertz?
None of these teams set up the way Porto set up, and none of these teams defended the way Porto.
Okay. You want to talk about Porto? Let's talk about Porto. Porto, we lost on the final kick of the game due to our own stupidity giving the ball away, and I agree with you there. We did not have enough urgency and positivity to go score that goal. But at home, it's a different story. We go and slap Porto at home the same way we slap Sheffield United, Newcastle, and Burnley. Are you then going to sit here and say, you know what? The manager shown me that he's going in the right direction, and even if we don't win, I'll keep him? Or are you only saying we have to win for you to keep him?
No, because at the end of the day, whether you judge him that he has to deliver this season or next season, eventually he has to get us over the line. You can't. That's unavoidable.
Bro, I think we can win the league this year. We're playing the best football.
But he still has to do it. You don't just get. For me, you don't just get rewarded before you've even accomplished anything. For example, when Tottenham's manager Big Ange got that award about manager of the season or whatever.
That was a joke.
Exactly. Why? Because it was premature. It was premature. He hasn't done anything yet, and we haven't seen where he's going to finish at the end of the season. So if that is premature to give him an award before the season's over and classify him as manager of the season, I think it's premature to give Arteta a new contract. I have no problem if this manager wins me a major honor. I have no problem giving him a new contract. But he hasn't won anything yet.
Let me ask you this. Is this the best Arsenal team you've seen since the Invincible?
It is, yeah, it is.
So based on that, the ability to build the team to this level, to get a team this competitive, you don't think that is warranting of a manager to keep him in his job? Because don't forget, this is Arteta's first job. This is his first job in football. And not only was he able to rebuild the whole club, fix the culture, get us signing the right players, he had us competing against Pep and Klopp, who are two Premier League legend managers. Bro, sometimes we don't.
Bro, we were 93% of the league last season, top of the league, and we bottled it. Let's not go on like we haven't seen us be scintillating, breaking teams down, and then when it's the crunch end of the season, we capitulate. So I'm sorry. That is not my feeling. That is a fact. We bottled it last season, and I'm still and the reason why I'm skeptical of this manager is that other 7%. Can you get me over the line? Because that is what defines a manager that is elite and a manager that is not. We don't rate Brendan Rodgers being a nearly man with Liverpool. We don't rate Poch being a nearly man with Tottenham. It's all about getting over the line. And as of yet, he's not got me over the line. Like I told you, I will change what I'm saying if I see trophies. I am not going to forget what happened last season, and I'm not going to forget what's happened I'm not even going to bring up the 20 years. Since this manager's been here, you've not got me over the line yet to win major honors. So you should be rewarded based on achievement. You win me a major honor, you deserve a new contract.
And
But you're not going to get. I do not agree with rewarding people before they've even achieved anything.
You know, Northside. Every time we do this show, we're going to be back having the same conversation, and we're going to be back having the same conversation about Arteta until